This quick tutorial shows how to buy shares of Kingfisher. Kingfisher is a UK home improvement retailer listed on LSE PLC under the ticker KGF.L, and this is educational information, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will normally verify your account with an identity document and add funds before trading. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KGF.L to find Kingfisher. Select the matching listing to open the stock page. On the stock page, check the basic company details and the price chart to confirm you have the correct Kingfisher listing. Verify the ticker KGF.L and that it is listed on LSE PLC before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details carefully before you confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your Kingfisher position will appear in your portfolio. Check the link in the description if you want to follow these steps on eToro.